Mpumelelo Mseleku was live on Facebook, and Tirelo joined his live. Mpumelelo introduced his new girlfriend to Tirelo. Tirelo asked him some of the questions. Why are you introducing me alone like I'm your only wife? Because Amahle was not there at that live. Tirelo was expecting that Mpumelelo, if he want to introduce the new wife, he have to introduce both of them, Amahle and Tirelo, because Amahle, she looks like is Mpumelelo Mseleku's first wife. But Mpumelelo, when he looks at Tirelo like Tirelo is the first wife, but Mpumelelo got married to Amahle first, and to Tirelo, I don't know they are married or what, we don't understand. That's why Tirelo was asking Mpumelelo some of the questions, or he was doing it for content. We know that Mpumelelo Mseleku loves attention, but when it was real, maybe Mpumelelo doesn't introduce like that. Mpumelelo can't come in life and introduce the new girlfriend. Most of the time we saw Mpumelelo was live with other girls. It's not the first time. When he want to do for the real life, maybe he was supposed to be on DSTV or to introduce on Utando Nestembu to Musamseleku when it was real. I think he was doing it for content. That's why Tirelo was asking Mpumelelo, why you are introducing to me, you don't introduce to Amahle. I think it was a joke because Mpumelelo loves attention. Even that man was with Mpumelelo on live. They want attention. People, they pay Mpumelelo to be on their lives. They know that the life when is Mpumelelo and Tirelo, that life is going to have more views. So that man paid Mpumelelo to be on that life or to have more views. I don't understand, because he was doing it for content on Facebook. When they are doing their things in real life, that's why Mpumelelo hide his newborn son to people, because they are doing it to save on Izingane Zestembu. But when it was real, because that girl, she was looking that she was shining, but I don't think that is true. Mpumelelo, he is joking. He wants people's attention because Mpumelelo Mseleku, he knows that people on social media will love drama. Especially Musamseleku's kids, they have got a lot of attention on social media. That's why Mpumelelo was lying that it's his new girlfriend. And Tirelo knows that it's not true. If it was true, we can watch it on DSTV. When they are doing things on DSTV, you have to know that is true. But when they were acting on social media on Mpumelelo, you've got other girls, what, it's not true, because they want us to believe, but we know that they were doing it for content. Mpumelelo take advantage of his famous, because Mpumelelo Mseleku knows that he is really famous and he can make money out of famous. People are paying him a lot. Even people on social media, they have got their platforms. They can pay Mpumelelo that you can feature on my video. I will pay you how much. Mpumelelo Mseleku is making a lot of money. Even with those artists in South Africa, they are paying him to feature on their music video. Mpumelelo is making a lot of money. He is the only child who is making a lot of money than Musamseleku's other kids. Other kids, they don't care. But Mpumelelo take it for granted and he can make a lot of money on that content. I don't think that it was true. Because when it was true, Mpumelelo can't come in life without telling Musamseleku. He have to tell his father Musamseleku first, and they start have a process and not come on social media. Tirelo knows that is true, because Mpumelelo can't introduce his new girlfriend to Tirelo. Tirelo is not Mpumelelo's first wife. Mpumelelo's first wife is Amahle, because Mpumelelo paid lobolo for Amahle first than Tirelo. So even he can say Tirelo is older than Amahle, it can't happen, because the person who paid lobolo first is Amahle. So Amahle is Mpumelelo's first wife. If he want to introduce the new girlfriend or the new wife, he can go to Amahle or to introduce the both of them.